Oh, hello! I have this to unpack today. Want to see it? They look very nice. What? Oh, pretty. What? Ha! Gotcha! Fake! The video for today was going to be about a competition between these click-clacks and other click-clacks. But I'm missing one. So instead, I'm going to do a teaser video about these two. Consider this a small review to see what these other are up against. Let's do a fake unboxing. The Cherry MX mechanical keyboard from RoG and another one, Gladius 2 Origin. And look at that. Precious RGB, yeah. Hey boss, I have an RGB keyboard. Give me a raise. Nah, the average Joe doesn't care a bit for RGB, so let's do a series review. Well, this is a gaming keyboard, so don't expect ergonomics to be on the high side, but instead a focus on performance. You have dedicated software. Again, RoG Armory Crate to control the macros, profiles, key bindings and lighting. Cool stuff. You can set up profiles, display different colors between applications. Even build your own with our creator, which is fantastic. You can light the keys just the way you want. The same goes for the mouse. You can set macros on it. As for the layout, pretty simple, not much. Standard multimedia buttons, a very useful disable Windows key, a dedicated function key for the internal key combinations that allow you, for example, change lighting or dim. The mouse does allow to do this with, you guessed it, key combinations. On the keyboard side, you get a full USB-A pass-through, very practical for USB headset, pen drive, or just charge whenever you like. You also get a simple and not attached palm rest. Super easy to take it out if you like a cleaner look. The volume key is just amazing. Click it for mute. The mouse is simple, not really peppered with a lot of buttons. It's rather clean looking with a DPI button that can be remapped, but I find it useful between browsing and games, for instance. Performance. It's really on par with almost every high-end keyboard or mouse. It's not a 10 keyless, so you get a very standard look, and it serves the average finance guy working from home by day and probably gamer by night. The keyboard is very robust and quite heavy. Not as much as other metal frame keyboards, but it's solid, as does the mouse, which is not too much light or too much heavy. It's just right there. It has a distinct mechanical feel and sound and typing. Some people love it, some hate it. There are Cherry MX Black, but you can choose other ones the way you like the most. The difference will be between key pressure, key clicks. Just read some reviews about it. So, are they good? Yes, I do enjoy them a lot. Keep in mind these are wired. There are wireless ones if you want to go that way. Conclusion: if you're a gamer like I, and you like showing your stuff, good quality is your top priority, and you have the money for them, keep in mind they are a bit expensive, but they are worth it, then yeah, you should look into it. They are good. This is the first half of our, well, small video. Next time we'll have the other contestants. Yeah. They are a budget one, a not so budget one, a good quality one, and these. Yes, we have cheapos. So keep an eye for part 2 and subscribe. See you next time. Look into the mouse. Look into the mouse and you will fall asleep.